Namaste everyone. Welcome to my ASMR tutorial. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some delicious iced coffee. This is supposed to be very satisfying, as you can tell. So I hope you all enjoy. For this recipe, you're going to need yourself some instant coffee, organic cane sugar, a mug around this size, some milk, one tall glass, a measuring spoons, and a tall spoon to stir it, and obviously some water and ice, because it's iced coffee, come on. First of all, you want to fill this mug halfway. That's approximately 5 ounces of water. Now, pour the water into the pot. Next, turn on the heat on high. Let the water boil, and not completely, but until you see like little bubbles into the pot. Place the lid on top of the pot so that it boils faster. Once the water is about warm like this, you shall turn off the heat. After that, pour the water into the mug. Next, put 2 teaspoons of instant coffee into the mug. Make sure it's all evened out. That's 1 teaspoon. That's 2. Next, put in 1 tablespoon of organic cane sugar. That's about good. Now, stir the organic cane sugar with this almighty magical spoon. Stir until it's completely dissolved. It is completely dissolved now. Now, fill the glass with ice to about this much. iced coffee lovers out there who just can't get enough of it. I hope you all enjoy this recipe, and I hope you all like this video. If you do, please make sure to leave a thumbs up in the comments below. Remember to leave a good comment. Alright, yeah, so leave a thumbs up on this video. Subscribe to this if you liked it.